Take a look at the Jenny Deadline Ace Reporter comic in your textbook. As with everything else you'll find, it's a pretty good glimpse into the day in the life of a journalist. It starts with hearing something, like a professor suddenly resigning, that sparks a journalist's interests. Now Jenny starts asking questions, calling the professor, talking with his former boss, co-workers, and students. Now, as Jenny shows us, it takes more time to gather the facts than to write the actual story. Sometimes sources give you more information than you want or need, and you need to whittle it down to the basics. Remember to not take everything at face value, but instead investigate to determine what's really going on. And the most important thing to remember is if you can't prove it, you can't print it. Jenny couldn't print allegations of sexual harassment, even if it was true, because she didn't have any real evidence to support it. Someone's creepy feelings and rumors aren't facts. Harrower takes us inside the Oregonian newsroom to show us how news comes together. While every newsroom is different, the Oregonian is a great example to learn from. There are 4 main divisions at a newspaper. The first is editorial, which is the content of the newspaper. These are the people you would typically associate with a newspaper: reporters and editors, copy editors, photographers, and designers. Now, on the non-editorial side, you have the advertising department. Those are the folks that are sales rep and sell ads for the paper. Then the production department. If the paper is printed in-house, these are the ones who run the printing press. And if you print off-site, this is probably your IT department that keeps your computers working. And finally, you have circulation. These are the ones that deliver the paper every morning, whether it's to someone's house or to newspaper boxes around town or campus. Continuing inside the Oregonian newsroom. Now, editorials, reporters, and editors are broken down by some criteria. Topics or beats like crime, education, sports, business, and features, or geographical areas like the Durham Reporter, the Chapel Hill Reporter, the Hillsborough Reporter, etc. Now, the reporter files the story several hours before deadline. That's when the paper has to be sent to press. The editor then checks over the story. The editor passes the story to the copy editor desk, who ensures it's written in correct AP style and free of any spelling or grammatical errors. Copy desk then sends the edited story to the designer to place it on the page. The designer also places any corresponding photos and other elements within the story. And speaking of photos, photographers get assignments just like reporters, and they shoot images to send to the photo editor.